Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at three oil charts because I'm not so sure the oil trade is over just yet. I mean, maybe it is. And I'm hearing a lot of chatter about that. Oh, it's peaked. It's not going higher. Maybe that's the case. But these stocks are still in some pretty good uptrends. And so I think they're still at least worth having on a watch list. We'll start here with ExxonMobil, ticker XOM. XOM, above all the major moving averages, the 50-day, the 21-day, and the 8-day. And a pretty good pickup in volume today off the low. We can also draw a little bit of a resistance line. Resistance there, resistance there. We're right under resistance. And so what has to happen for the stock to break out is it's got to get above and stay above that 85.45 level and ideally do it on volume. Now there's local resistance zones that we can look at, there, and of course way up here. But even if it comes and retests the old high here, from here, that's a 7% move to the upside. So not a bad move for a swing trade. Let's take a look at EOG. Same kind of story. Above all the major moving averages, came down, couldn't even get to the 50-day, and we have a nice downward sloping trend line with clear resistance. So again, same kind of story with this. I think you want to watch EOG above 122.60. Watch for a strong move through there. How about CVX? Downward sloping trend line. No real volume pickup here today, but again, it's still in a well-defined uptrend. So if the oil trade is over, why are these stocks still in an uptrend? That's what I want to know, and that's why I think they're worth keeping on a watch list. So I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And if you want to find out what we're up to at StockMarketMentor.com, click the link, take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.